This is a laser show with steam and a fan, but it's kind of hard to see at this angle, so I'm going to move it over here. Can you see it now? I'm using a mirror, two mirrors, and objects in 3D, but I'm going to have to move it over to here so you can actually see. I think I might have to turn the fan off because it's blowing the it's blowing the air farther away, so I gotta basically tilt and keep the dehumidifier at an angle. Can you see it now? See that steam there? Coming from the laser, that's reflecting off the laser. Well, that's the red-green prisms. That's the red, green, blue laser LED light that's working operationally. And if we zoom in a little bit closer, you can see the lasers themselves, and you can see the reflection of the laser beams being reflected off the mirror and being coated with you can see the beams here, and you can see the beams being reflected off the mirror and on here, sort of like a miniature reflection. I still find it pretty cool. It's even sound activated with the water being heated by the sonic device that boils water with sound. Still a very cool thing to see it. Thanks for watching this short little video.